Still struggling to track your steps, calories, or health the right way? Welcome back. In part 2 of our series, we're exploring some amazing fitness tracker watches that help you monitor heart rate, sleep, and daily activity with ease. These smart wearables come packed with features like step tracking, notifications, and long battery life to keep you on top of your fitness goals. Stay till the end to find the perfect one for your lifestyle, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech videos. At number 1 we have Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 10 Tracker. Immerse yourself in brilliant clarity with the large 1.72-inch AMOLED display. Vacuum-filling sealing technology enables symmetrical 2.0mm ultra-thin bezels, expanding screen-to-body ratio from 66% to 73%. Enjoy incredibly smooth and seamless interaction with crisp, color-accurate images, right on your wrist. Say goodbye to daily charging hassles. Enjoy an exceptional 21 days of battery life on a single charge. And when you need more power, it only takes an hour to fully recharge the device with fast charging. Freedom without limits. The Xiaomi smartwatch is equipped with a new high-precision electronic compass that tracks swimming direction like never before, delivering unparalleled accuracy for pool sessions. Plus, gain detailed insights through professional analysis of your workouts to optimize each session. Discover the secrets of your sleep with comprehensive and enhanced sleep monitoring. Get comprehensive insights into your sleep stages and quality, helping you wake up refreshed and optimize your well-being. At number 2 we have EAC Smart Fitness Watch. This smartwatch is equipped with speaker and Bluetooth connectivity. You can directly make or receive calls with your family and friends via the smartwatch. Also, it supports multiple smart reminders, including incoming calls, text, SNS messages, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc., daily reminder, etc. Extremely convenient for your life, and you will never miss any important information. The smartwatch built-in Alexa voice assistant. Use your voice to control the built-in Alexa in your smartwatch to control the music playback, ask questions, read the news and get information, check the weather, set alarms, control compatible smart home devices, and more. The smartwatch provides 100+ exercise modes, such as running, yoga, jumping jack, sit-ups, etc. During your exercise. It will record your data like heart rate, steps, calories burned, distance and active hours in real time. The fitness tracker is IP68 waterproof, so you can wear it during outdoor activities, rainy days, washing hands. At number 3 we have Whoop 5.0/MG Activity Fitness Tracker. Take control of your health and performance with Whoop, an advanced wearable system that includes a 12-month Whoop Life membership, Whoop MG device, Super Knit Luxe Band, and a waterproof wireless power pack for continuous use, fully eligible for HSA/FSA reimbursement for added value, designed to provide 24/7 monitoring of key physiological metrics such as sleep, stress, VO2 max, heart health, and blood pressure insights to help you optimize recovery and daily performance, enhanced with advanced health insights that integrate seamlessly into your routine for a complete understanding of your body, featuring on-demand ECG readings through Heart Screener to detect potential signs of AFib and keep you informed about your heart condition, along with first-of-its-kind blood pressure tracking that provides systolic and diastolic ranges and deeper understanding of how it impacts your overall well-being, making it a powerful, all-in-one solution for fitness tracking, health monitoring, and performance optimization. At number 4 we have FitV Health and Fitness Tracker. Track your heart rate and blood pressure 24/7, empowering you to stay proactive about your well-being. Dive into insightful sleep monitoring to optimize your rest for peak performance. Stay informed about your O2 levels for enhanced vitality. Plus, find moments of tranquility with guided breathing exercises, all from your wrist. Discover a smarter approach to a healthier lifestyle with FitV Fitness Tracker. Elevate your fitness journey with FitV Fitness Tracker's extensive tracking capabilities. Monitor your daily activities effortlessly, from steps taken to calories burned and distance traveled. With over 120+ sports modes, you'll find the perfect fit for your workout routine, whether you're hitting the gym or exploring the great outdoors. Stay on track throughout your day with FitV smartwatch reminders. Avoid prolonged periods of inactivity with sedentary reminders and stay hydrated with drinking water reminders. Women's Health feature tracks your menstrual time and record menstrual changes to learn more about your body. At number 5 we have Fitbit Sense 2 Fitness Smartwatch. Learn to manage stress, sleep better and live healthier with Sense 2, our most advanced health and fitness smartwatch. Measure and improve sleep quality, personalized sleep profile 5, daily sleep stages and sleep score, smart wake alarm and do not disturb mode enhance activity, built-in GPS and workout intensity map, daily readiness score, active zone minutes, all-day activity tracking and 24/7 heart rate, 40+ exercise modes and automatic exercise tracking, water resistant to 50 meters. Designed for all-day wear, on-wrist Bluetooth calls, texts and phone notifications, customizable clock faces, Fitbit Pay, Amazon Alexa built-in, Google Wallet and Map, 6+ day battery. Sense 2 is sleek and slim with raised band attachments that make it more comfortable for all-day wear. Both small and large sizes included in box. Includes a 6-month premium membership complete with personalized insights, advanced analytics and more new and returning premium users only. Must activate trial within 60 days of device activation. Content and features may change. At number 6 we have a MOSFET Active 2 Sport Fitness Tracker. Experience style and performance with the MOSFET Active 2 smartwatch featuring a sleek stainless steel design and a bright 1.32-inch AMOLED display that stays clear even in direct sunlight, powered by advanced BioTracker technology for precise heart rate and sleep monitoring that delivers accurate health insights, supported by an impressive battery life of up to 10 days to keep you going without frequent charging, equipped with free downloadable maps and turn-by-turn navigation visible on-screen or through Bluetooth headphones, including detailed ski maps for global resorts, enhanced with fast and accurate GPS tracking using 5 satellite positioning systems for reliable outdoor activity tracking, offering over 160 sports modes including running, strength training, yoga, and more along with 50 meters water resistance and a built-in barometer for swimming and skiing, integrated with the free Zep app that provides secure data storage, detailed analytics, and actionable insights without subscription fees. At number 7 we have Ruxing's Fitness Tracker Watch. Smart watches blend style and functionality, designed for fashion-conscious and fitness-minded women and men. Featuring a 1.26-inch HD touchscreen, they eliminate bulky dials for a sleek, lightweight, and comfortable fit that feels effortless all day long. Choose from 400+ watch faces or personalize with your own photos, making the watch uniquely yours. The heart rate monitor watch supports real-time monitoring. The smartwatch with blood oxygen monitor, tracker, and women's health function, etc. supports synchronization of data to app for easy viewing. Note, heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep and other data are data given based on detected conditions, cannot be used for medical purposes. 120+ sport modes fitness tracker watch. The fitness watches for women/men supports 110+ sports modes. Accurately record steps, distance, calories burned. The activity tracker is able to realize GPS location through your phone and clearly view your movement path. IP68 waterproof sport watch easily copes with indoor/outdoor rainy day sports. No need to take off the watch while washing hands. At number 8 we have Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. Stay on top of your health and fitness with the Fitbit Charge 6, tracking essential metrics like calories, active zone minutes, daily readiness, and sleep while offering 40+ exercise modes, built-in GPS, all-day activity tracking, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and automatic workout detection for a complete fitness experience, enhanced with real-time heart rate display when connected to compatible gym equipment and convenient YouTube music controls to keep you motivated, providing advanced health insights such as stress management score, personalized sleep score, and smart wake alarm for a more natural start to your day, equipped with Google Maps turn-by-turn directions for seamless navigation during runs or rides, and Google Wallet support for quick contactless payments on the go, making it a powerful and convenient wearable designed to support your active lifestyle, health tracking, and everyday convenience in one compact device. At number 9 we have Jacusa Fitness Smartwatches. Featuring a 1.83-inch square screen with a 240x284 HD resolution and IPS full viewing angle technology, it ensures brilliant, clear images from any angle. Over 100 customizable watch faces are available, ranging from minimalist business to trendy art styles, making it easy to match your everyday style, turning a tech piece into a fashion statement. Built-in professional-grade sports algorithms support data tracking for over 130 sports modes, including running, cycling, and swimming. 24-hour continuous heart rate monitoring and scientific sleep analysis provide visual data reports to help users maintain a healthy lifestyle. Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures stable call connections, allowing you to directly view phone notifications and control music playback. Supports message notifications from major social apps like Facebook and Instagram, allowing you to see important information by simply raising your wrist. 5 ATM water resistance certification ensures protection from rain and sweat. At number 10 we have a MOSFET BIP 6 smartwatch 46mm. Stylish design. Vibrant display. The lightweight aluminum build blends effortless style with workout durability, while the vivid 1.97-inch AMOLED display keeps your data easy to read, even under bright sunlight. All-in-one activity tracking. The Amazfit Bip 6 fitness tracker watch offers 140-plus workout modes including high rocks race and strength training, plus personalized AI coaching and 50 meters water resistance. Up to 14 days battery life. The Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch powers through your training and recovery for up to 2 weeks at a time, no nightly charging needed. Accurate GPS tracking and navigation. Stay on course with free downloadable maps and turn-by-turn directions. Support from 5 satellite systems ensures precise tracking of every move and fast GPS connection. 24/7 health monitoring. The Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch provides precise, real-time monitoring of heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen and stress, empowering you with actionable insights to optimize your health and fitness.